Good morning everybody. It's an absolutely beautiful day here in Scotland at the beginning of October. So I'm heading out for a wee run in the Enfield. I'm hoping to meet up with a few more Royal Enfield owners today. So we'll see how the day develops. So sit back, relax and enjoy the run. Today's run is quite a short one, it's only about 60 miles. We'll be leaving from Powmill, over a lot of back roads towards Falkland, up through Ochtertyre, onto Newburgh, then Abernethy, and a short stop at Bridge of Erne for some coffee, before coming home via Dunning, down through Dunning Glen, and back to Powmill again. Well, that's us arrived at Powmill. I'm a wee bit early, so I don't expect to see any other bikes here at the moment. And yeah, there aren't any yet. I'm first to arrive. Well, that's Matt arriving on his 2004 Classic 500 Bullet. A few other bikers arrived and they were admiring both of our Enfields. Well, that's two of us on our way. We'll pick up some other bikes during the run. I thought this would be a good opportunity to let you hear how the Hitchcock's free-flowing exhaust system sounds on the bike. Great view of Loch Leven between the trees. It's looking great in the sunshine. Welcome to the Kingdom of Fife. This is a fabulous wee road between Leslie over the Lomond Hills towards Falkland. Welcome to Falkland. This is a beautiful little place, steeped in history. And for anybody who follows the TV series Outlander, if you went back to the very first series and the very first episode, this is where it was filmed. That's here we're passing Falkland Palace, which is absolutely looking magnificent today in the sunshine. After Falkland, we reach Ochtertyre. Ochtertyre was famous for Jimmy Shand and the Jimmy Shand Band. He was an accordion player who, when I was young, was always on the TV, especially at New Year. But what you may not know is he was also a keen motorcyclist. Shand was also an enthusiastic supporter and spectator at the Isle of Man TT races. He also sponsored a motorcycle road racer from Errol, Perthshire called Jack Gow, a multiple Scottish motorcycle racing champion and later a motorcycle dealer in Dundee. The B936 from Ochtertyre up to Newburgh is a fantastic road for the wee Royal Enfield. Just perfect territory for it. Welcome to Newburgh. This is where we should be meeting up with another Enfield. We had arranged to meet one of the other bikes here. And here comes Frank now. So, let's all head off and continue with the run. So, we've got 3 Enfields out with us. 2 2022 Classic 350s and 1 2004 Classic 500 Bullet. Let's get off this main road and find another interesting wee back road towards Bridge of Erne. And welcome to Bridge of Erne. It was now time for a well-earned coffee at the Erne Coffee Shop, where we were joined by Bill, who was inspired by Itchy Boots the vlogger, who travelled to Iceland, so he went out and bought himself a Himalayan and then rode it to Iceland as well. It was a great chat, nice to meet everybody. Back outside, we met another couple of bikers who were admiring our bikes. Welcome to Dunning. This is where Bill is going to leave us and head on home to Perth. We're now travelling down through Dunning Glen. The road has been resurfaced and it's now in pretty good condition. It was full of potholes not long ago. Nice road to ride on now. And we've arrived back at the end of the run at Powmill. Nice to meet up with Matt, Frank and Bill.